Welcome to Science with the Cebuls. So my son Nicholas over here thought of a great idea. We've seen this experiment before on YouTube and on the internet, and we thought today was a beautiful day to do this experiment. So we're going to take you through the scientific method, and we're going to do a fun experiment. So when you want to do an experiment, you have to start with an objective. What do you want to find out? So today we want to find out, does different candies put into a soda bottle, could you make a geyser? Putting different candies into a soda bottle. What's a geyser, Nicholas?
So a geyser is a big water spout or liquid spout.
That usually comes out of the ground,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, cool. Okay, so that's what our objective is. The next thing we need is materials. That's the next part of the scientific method. Nick, what materials do we have today?
So the materials are, the candies are Mentos
We're going to use 4 of them.
and M&Ms.
We're also going to use 4 of them.
And 2 Coca-Cola containers for the M&Ms and the Mentos.
Good. Now, before you do any scientific experiment, you need to do a hypothesis. Julia, what's hypothesis mean?
When you do a scientific guess on what will happen.
Exactly. So, we're going to put M&Ms in one and Mentos in the other. Think about what you think might happen. Julia, what do you think might happen?
I think the Mentos will go up higher because they are usually what causes things to blow up kind of.
Okay, what do you think, Nicholas?
I think the Mentos too because they're usually they're not like a popular candy, but they're used in a lot of experiments.
Do you think the M&Ms are going to make the soda do anything?
Maybe a little bubble, but not really.
Okay, so that's our hypothesis. We're going to have to try it out. So what's the next step, Julia, in the scientific procedure? This is what we're going to do. So we're going to open up 1 bottle of soda, drop the M&Ms in, and see what happens. Then we're going to open up the other bottle of soda, put the Mentos in, and see what happens. Okay? And so now it's time for the experiment. All right. So Julia's going to start with the M&Ms. You need help opening the bottle up?
Which one should I
All right, so take out don't know one at a time, Nick. We'll do this one first. Come stand over here, Jules. And we're going to put the M&Ms into the soda bottle. Okay, come stand over here so that we can see. All right, let's see what happens. You might be wanting to go. I'm not sure what's going to happen.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Oh, all right. You can see what's happening. Whoa, 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 watch out, watch out. Whoa. Tucker. Jules, grab. All right, looks like it's settling down. So that's what happened when we put the M&Ms in. So now Nicholas is going to put the Mentos in. You ready, Nick? Come stand over here. Same thing. We're going to drop them in, and then we're going to kind of walk away. All right, Nicholas, go ahead. I got him. He's getting all 4 Mentos at the same time, just like Julie did the M&Ms, the best we can at the same time.
Do 2 and 2. It was easier, Nick. Do 2 and 2.
2 and 2. It's okay. If you can't fit them all in your hand. As long as you put them in right after each other. Okay. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
I couldn't make the last 2 in.
All right, so the next part of our scientific method is, what's the next part, Julia? It's
I want to drop the
results. Put it in. It's the results. Just plop it in. It's the results. So what happens? Did they both fizz up?
They both fizzed up, but the M&Ms did it very slowly and not a lot, and the Mentos did it right away and a lot.
Yeah, it kind of kept pouring out over and over and over again.
And for the Mentos, I only did 2.
Wow, and we did 4 M&Ms, right? All right, so the next thing is conclusion. Let's think about our results. Why do you think that happens?
Because Mentos are usually what fizzes stuff up. And Mentos doesn't have chocolate in it.
You think it's because it doesn't have chocolate in it?
Yeah, and M&M's does, and M&M's is smaller, Mentos is bigger.
Maybe because one's bigger, one's smaller. I wonder if what the candy's made of. Like M&M's might be more solid. Mentos might have more air in it.
Yeah.
Right? Maybe the Mentos is heavier, and that's what made it pop up. I don't know. Okay, so that's how you do a scientific experiment. I hope you had fun. You can try this at home with different candies, with different sodas. You can see, but make sure you do it outside on a nice day and ask your parents first. Hey, thank you. Bye.